Hello guys! Naririnig niyo ba ako? Nasa labas ako ngayon. So, I'm here at the mall. I'm so bored. Let's check. Let's check my pets. Where's the brown? I think it's right here. It's the brown one. And then here. They are all present. Perfect. Let's capture some more. Is there any? There's none. Let's get some undersides in here. Get that. May cheese. Hindi ko yun kilala. Naririnig ko lang yun dito. May libreng chismis. Where should we go? Ay, dito yata ako nag-ano kanina. Yeah, here. Let's check. Okay, let me get this. Okay, that's all for the pink ones. Let's get that. There's a pink one here. Oh, looks like there's more. Oh wow, there is a lot. Let's grab it. It's not yet night time. You can still get this. Let's go out. It's too dark. Get it. Okay. Let me go up already. I'll get back later on.